Hello and welcome back for another Vechain price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you the latest developments that have been happening here on the Vechain chart and also give you my next price targets. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and also check out the channel membership. And allow me to start with the fundamental news, where yesterday we were expecting the PPI data and also the FOMC meeting. And after the FOMC meeting, we had a hawkish pause. And as a result of that, we saw a massive breakdown here on the charts, where you can see on the 4-hour chart, we had this massive 4-hour candlestick breaking down to the lower side. And at the time of this recording, we are still seeing further breakdown. And you can also remember that last week we also had a very massive crash where Vechain was able to put in place a new bear market low, where we have now our new bear market low at around the $0.01315 mark. And after seeing that low, you can see that this week we had been on a bit of a recovery to the upside. And I want to give you an area on the charts that in case Vechain continues to hold within, we could possibly continue seeing higher prices. And using the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the new bear market low to the high that we made at around the $0.01647 mark, I get an area between the Fib level 0.5 and the Fib level 0.618, which is the golden ratio. And I can mark that target area here on the charts, which is an area that lies between the $0.01483 mark and the $0.01444 mark. And in case further breakdown continues and we get between the Fib level 0.5 and the Fib level 0.618, then we can expect a reaction of that target area here on the charts in a move that could then possibly give us a massive reaction to the upper side in what could be the start of another impulsive move to the upside in what we can term as an Elliot wave count 3, basing it on the Elliot wave structures. And to have my Elliot wave structure on the charts, there are chances that after seeing the bear market low over here, whatever we have on the charts is that first wave, and we are now coming down is in a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2 before we can expect that wave 3, then expect a wave 4, then continue gearing up in the formation of that wave 5. And once we complete the formation of this wave 5, then we can name this as a higher Elliot wave count 1 to the upside. So there are still chances that in case these areas were respected, we could continue seeing higher prices in this wave 3, then expect a wave 4 and a wave 5 completing the formation of these larger Elliot wave count 1. So let's keep our eyes on that area, because if we see a reaction of that target area to the upper side, then another impulsive move on the Vechain chart is coming our way. On the worst case scenario, in case we get into this red target area that I have given you, continue seeing further breakdown, maybe at some point we also lose the Fib level 0.78, and I can have the Fib level 0.78 on the charts, which lies at around the $0.01388 mark. In case we lose that area also here on the charts, then that would be suggesting further breakdown in a move that could give us another new bear market low. So we also need to have that in mind here on the Vechain chart. And to also give you my long-term analysis that I have been expecting on the Vechain chart, if I zoom out on the 4-hour chart, you can see that after seeing our December lows, I was initially terming this as a larger Elliot wave count 1 after seeing a 5-wave move to the upside. Then we saw a corrective structure which managed to hit invalidation points, and as a result of that, giving us a new bear market low. And there are chances that once we see a 5-wave move over here on the charts, followed by an ABC corrective structure, that would be enough confirmation that we have a new bear market low in place, and we can then start another impulsive move to the upside in what we could term as another larger Elliot wave count 1 to the upper side. So let's be patient and see how that plays out. Also taking a look at the indicators on the RSI, we are trading at around the 44 mark. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bearish cross, still suggesting further breakdown. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.